Shut!
On February 8th, 2024, a usual traffic stop in Blount County turned into a nightmare. When 42-year-old Kenneth Dehart was pulled over by an officer for driving in the opposite lane.
Do me a favor, brother. Pull into the driveway. That way we're all the way out of the road. Okay? 335. We've pulled into 4959. Alright, my friend. Now that we're out of the way there.
I'm sorry.
That's alright. My name's Shelby. I work for the Blount County Sheriff's Office. I stopped you not because you were all over the road.
I'm sorry. I didn't notice it. I just put my hair up.
Putting your hair up?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink or anything?
Oh, hell no.
Okay.
No. I'm really just like leaving. No, I'm just leaving Suburban.
Okay.
Just got back from Gatlinburg Pittman.
Cool.
Just got a phone with my son. I said, son, you should have came home because he hurt his knee right back the GP game. And I literally just got the phone with him.
Okay. Did you go to the game?
Yeah.
Okay.
We literally just got done.
Okay.
They're still there. I literally can show you. I just got the phone with my son.
I believe you.
And,
Where are you headed to tonight?
I'm on my way home.
Where you live at?
Alcoa.
Alcoa? Okay. Go for it. You care to see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please? All right, thank you. All right, thank you.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't think I was swerving.
Yeah, well, you went across the line just a little bit, and I thought, well, you know, maybe
I would just put my hair up. I'm sorry, I got hot. I just put my hair up.
I got you. Yeah, you were like
just
you were
go
all
home,
the way
get in
completely
bed.
in the other lane.
I called my mama and say, "Mama, I'm not gonna make it tonight. I gotta go get clothes. Like I'm just dealing with a lot. I promise I didn't do nothing. I'm sorry."
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry you're going through some stuff.
Oh, it's a lot going on.
Yeah.
But I literally just got the phone with my son. Just talked to the guy that's painting. Sent me a picture of some lights that he sent me.
Okay.
That I literally just got the phone with him.
Okay, good deal.
Rob Paint Mama's house. He just sent me this.
I got you.
And I called him back, but I'm on Bluetooth.
Okay, you're good. Do you have your registration insurance?
Yeah, I'm in my mama's car. I'm in her car. My truck is at her house. I'll show you what I just done so you can know what I'm doing. I ain't lying. I just left to take a video.
Yeah, I'm code 4. Come on. I got you.
Just took a video of everything.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
This is in Suburban. I literally just jumped in her car. Showed her a video of her house. We just got done getting it painted.
Yeah,
I literally just left. I just want to go to bed.
Okay.
Is this it?
Close enough for registration. What about your insurance?
Try to call her real quick.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll let you call her. I'm gonna go check this out, and I'll come back up here and talk to you about the insurance when you figure it out. Okay?
Thank you.
Kenneth was compliant at first, but his slurred speech and the strong stench of marijuana coming from his car meant serious trouble.
You know I don't smoke weed. Nobody I know smoke weed.
Okay.
And when the officer confronted him, he started getting aggressive.
You can't do this, man. You can't do this.
Well, I'm gonna tell you this. I am gonna have you step out and hang out with me.
Step out for what?
So, I smell weed in the car. Have you ever smoked weed in this car?
I don't smoke or nothing.
Okay, you don't smoke or nothing?
No.
Has anybody ever smoked in the car?
Nobody. This is my grandma's car.
Okay, I got you.
Bogus, man.
Okay.
Man.
Well, I smell it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you step out and hang out with me. Okay. My partner's going to get here. We'll search as long as everything's good. I'll get you home.
There ain't no weed in here. Nobody smokes weed. Don't do me like that now.
Okay. Don't do you like what?
She's trying to say she smells weed. And I'm like, you know I don't smoke weed. Nobody I know smoke weed.
Okay. I didn't accuse you of smoking weed.
I got my kids' backpacks and food. We literally just went.
Okay.
Exactly. It's been a leather.
Okay.
It's never been smoked in
Like it's me, man. My own black, and they just being messy.
It ain't got nothing to do with that, brother.
I guarantee you run a dog right here. We won't the dog get on this car.
Okay.
So I'm gonna sit right here.
Our dogs don't hit on weed, and there's not a dog coming out here. It's me and my partner.
Well, I'm not. I'm refusing to search.
No, there's no refusing. So when I smell the odor of marijuana, I have probable cause to search the vehicle.
I need you to get a dog, ma'am. I'm refusing to search.
There's no refusing.
There's no weed. Go get your partner and tell him to come over and sniff.
Okay, my partner is not a dog. My partner's a person that's on the way.
Okay, let your partner come sniff. I'm refusing to search.
That's fine. You can't refuse a search.
Why can't I refuse a search?
Because I've got probable cause to search the vehicle because of the smell.
Now, why are they trying to be messy for no reason?
I'm not trying to be messy with you, brother. I'm trying to make this easy, okay?
I'm just refusing to search. I love you, Mama.
I just need you to step out of the car, Kenny.
I'm refusing to search, man.
Okay, so here's what's going to happen if you don't step out of the car. We're going to have to drag you out of the car, and then you're going to go to jail.
I don't smoke marijuana.
So you can either step out of the car, or I can pull you out of the car.
You can step out the car.
No, sir.
You will get out of the car.
Y'all treat me as racism, man.
That's racism. I don't care what color you are, dude. She gave you a lawful command.
I don't smoke marijuana. She said
she asked you to get out of the car.
Get out of the car, bro.
Y'all said it smell like weed. I need you to get a dog, please.
No, we don't have to have a dog.
Get a dog.
When it smells
there
like
has
weed,
been
brother.
no
Get out of the car.
marijuana in this car.
I'm gonna tell you one more time, Kenny. Get out of the car.
I can't, ma'am.
You
I'm
can't?
recording this.
Okay,
I'm
you can
telling
record
you right now.
That's fine. I'm recording too. I've recorded this whole interaction. Go ahead and get out of the car.
But I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You were on the wrong side of the road, Kenny.
I was not on the wrong side of the road.
You were driving on the wrong side of the road, brother.
I'm
Get out of the car.
on the wrong side of the road.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm not. No.
You're about to go to jail for refusing.
No, you can't do that.
You're about to go.
You can't do this, man. You can't do this. Get your hands off of me, man. Please. Please get your hands off of me, please.
Go ahead.
Please.
Get out of the car.
I'm asking you.
Get your ass out of the car.
Get out of the car now.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Out of the car.
Now.
Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car.
Please, can I answer my
No.
No, get out of the car.
Now.
Out of the car.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car.
Why are y'all doing this to me, man? Why are you doing this to me?
Get out of the car, man.
We got one taser point.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get out of the car, Kenny.
This is not my car. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
I didn't say it was your car. Get out of the car, Kenny. Go ahead, hit him. Out of the car!
Get out of the car. Taser deployed. Out of the car! Get out of the car, dude!
I didn't do nothing!
Get out!
I didn't do nothing!
Get that seatbelt on him. Go
Please
get the seatbelt.
don't do this to me,
You're about to get it again.
Please! Please!
You're about to get it again.
Stop! Let me talk to my member! Oh my God!
Get him out.
Stop! I just got tased. .335 shots fired. I'm hit. 334's hit. Ah! Leg! Ah! 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 Leg!
The situation turned ugly in seconds. Kenneth opened fire on the two deputies before opening his door and leaning out to shoot the prone officer. The other deputy was shot in her leg
335 shots fired. I'm hit.
and was aided by some good Samaritans who stopped to help before medics arrived.
Help! Help! I've been shot. I've been shot. Help! 330, 335, 344's down. I've been hit. Suspect fled back towards town on Severe Road. I've been shot. I need your help.
Can I do anything?
Yes, get out. I need your help.
Tell me what you need me to do.
I gotta get this on and help my partner. Help me twist this, please.
I got you.
Twist it really tight. Twist it again. Oh my God. Okay. Twist it again. Twist it as hard as you can, okay?
I got you.
That's good. Put it in the thing.
It's there.
Okay. Oh my God.
Here, there.
345.
Do you need
I've got a tourniquet applied.
Have you got
I'm trying to
something
get the
already?
344. So the suspect's gone. He went
I
that
know.
way.
He went that way.
I gotta get you. I gotta get you my partner. Ah! Are you okay? Yeah. My people are on the way. You need to sit down. Open my car door. Give me my mic. You need to sit down. I need to get... Yeah.
Get in the truck.
You need to sit down. You need to sit down. You need to sit down. 335, it's a...
Like vehicle is going to be a 2011 blue RX-5 Lexus.
What's your name, brother?
Ricky.
Hold my hand, please. 335. Got a tourniquet applied. 344's down. I can't get to him.
About 5 out.
He's not.
He's not breathing?
No. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm up here. No, you may head back up.
Do you think?
Just... Is that your only place is in the leg? I think. That's all I feel.
Do you have 3 forces split down?
335. I think I'm about to go unconscious. 344's down. I can't get to him.
We're coming, Shelby. Hold on.
Okay.
306 John Center, open up channel 2 for everybody else. Get that vehicle description out on channel 2.
Stand first.
I'm right here. I'm okay.
right here.
I'm okay. Take care of Greg. Take care of Greg. Take care of Greg.
Come on.
I can't, brother. I can't. I don't think I can walk.
Come on, help me get her in the car. Help me get her in the car.
In your car?
Yeah, my car.
Brother, let me help. Let me help. I can't walk.
Well, do you got a tourniquet on?
Yeah.
All right. Where are you shot? Just on the
Hold
leg?
on. Hold on. Let me help. I think that's her only. It's her only. Wait, right here.
Where are they out at?
I think it's just my boy.
49
my
Earl.
All right. Hold on.
39 I'm going on safe.
It's going to hurt.
I know.
I know.
Oh my God.
I got Shelby in the car.
I'm getting her to the hospital.
The Blount County Mayor issued a $10,000 reward for information about Kenneth, and he was arrested after a 5-day manhunt. His girlfriend and brother were also charged with aiding Kenneth during his time out of custody.
Get in there! My foot!
Subject to residency restrictions, credit approval, not all buyers qualified. Dealer contribution is actual price set by dealer. Contact dealer details N3424. Get this stupid jar open.
You allowing this shit, man?
Who are you? And how did you get in my kitchen?
You black? You allowing this?
Your wish of easily switching.
You allowing this, man?
Count the honors the time spent with your previous insurer. Great, but what does that have to do with getting this jar open? Nothing. So you can't open them.
This is straight
You black, man, and you love watching this shit.
Discount with 4 lines, all on the silver unlimited plan. Taxes and fees apply.
Just like them. You gonna watch them kick and beat on me again, man? Black man, you gonna watch them kick and beat on me again? Man, y'all live with yourself doing this to black people, man. Beat my glasses off of me, so I ain't allowed to have my, I can't see. Crazy,
3
man.
units, let's see switch in front.
Damn, man. Ah! My hands, man.